how to turn off voicemail on iPhone. So all you have to do is go here directly to your settings application and scroll down up until you see the phone section here. Click on phone and then under calls, you will see call forwarding. To be able to turn off your voicemail on iPhone, click on that. Now here, there is no specific option where you can turn that off, but the only way or the best way for you to redirect or forward your voicemail to another phone instead of your phone, for example, you're traveling and you want to use the other phone that you have, then tap on call forwarding here and then forward to, and then of course put the number there. Now, if you want to turn off your voicemail permanently, go here to your phone on the bottom part. You'll see five options. Go to keypad and then tap on #004 hashtag. Now contact that and just wait for it. And here you must have a successful, as you can see, the activation failed because voice calls is not really a thing in my country, so we don't do that here, voice calling. But if you go for #004 hashtag, that will be now unsuccessful. Now, if you have this problem, then what you can do is you may want to call or contact your service provider. And basically, that is how you turn off your voicemail on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.